Hi, the Form to HubSpot Contacts add-on for Google Forms lets you turn your Google Form responses into new contacts or update existing contacts in your HubSpot account. To begin, click the Form to HubSpot Contacts menu in the Add-ons menu, and click Configure. The first time, connect to your HubSpot account by clicking the Connect button. Authorize your HubSpot account by choosing your HubSpot account and clicking Connect App. Once you are done, close the window. The connection window will automatically close and open the form configuration page. Now, in the mapping section, set the desired fields. If I would like to search for email, first name, last name, and city, I type first name. These are the properties from your HubSpot contacts, and these are the questions. There are also fields called system fields. System fields like Form ID, Dates, or Response ID can help you fill necessary details apart from just the form questions. If you are accepting the first name from your form question, map it to the form question. Next, let's search for the last name. For last name, choose the question last name. Next is the email. I am accepting the email from the form responder input. So in this case, it's not the form question email. I search for responder email. The next field is city. Map it to the form question city. State. Now I use the filter option and choose mapped. This will show you the fields that you have mapped. Click on Config, create a contact or update the contact if it already exists, and configure the. I add the logic that the first name should not be empty. This means it must not be empty. And run the automation. You can also create a logging sheet, which helps you investigate or audit your responses. Choose the disclaimer and save the configuration. Once that's done, your mapping is complete. The dialog automatically closes. Now it's time for your users to fill the form. Open the form. Enter the last name and city as New York City. State as New York, zip code 1234, country USA. Click Submit. At any time, you can go to the Configure menu and change your mapping. Refresh it. You can see here Jane Doe is created as a contact. Meanwhile, you can open and filter the mapped fields. If you'd like to see your past execution results, click on the Open icon or Open Spreadsheet. You'll see the contact was already created. Now I've changed some of the details for Jane Doe. Jane H. Doe and submit. You can keep watching the log. Previously it was create success. Now it's update success because the email remains the same. When the email is the same and already exists, it updates the other information. So email is the key if you would like to update. So the name is now updated to Jane H. Doe. And this is how some of the basic details are filled. I hope the add-on is helpful. Thank you.